So yes, guys, after a long time, uh, so today we are heading to Kandy. ඔයාලා හිතනවා ඇති මොකටද අද Kandy යන්නේ කියලා. This is a special occasion today. අපේ Vortex team එකටයි plus අපේ Vortex brand එකට special day එකක් අද because we are going for an agreement signing. Agreement signing කියනකොට අපි sponsorship එකක් ගැන අපේ TikTok page එකේ දාලා තිබ්බ මේ දවස්වල post එකක්. So maximum 5 members ලා තමයි join වෙන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. So ඒක successfully 5 members join වුණා අපේ team එකට. So ඒකේ members ලා 3ක් මේ September 5 stage යනවා from bodybuilding side. So ඔය sponsorship එක ගැන කතා කරන්න plus ඒක ගැන අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් discuss කරන්න තමයි අපි අද Kandy වලට යන්නේ and a small agreement signing එකක් තියෙයි. So let's see what's going to happen today. My sponsorship agreement එක අපේ Vortex team එකට it's a special thing because අපේ big step එකක් from Vortex to Sri Lanka කියන ඔය wording එක it's a big step for us because අපි පුංචි business එකකින් දැන් a level to give sponsorship for members. So ඔය පස් දෙනාට I'm grateful because එයාලා අපිට messages දාලා plus අපිත් එයාලට හොඳ reply එකක් දීලා එයාලට ඕන requirements අහලා තමයි මේ sponsorship එක අපි එයාලට දෙන්නේ. So I'm so grateful for those 5 members who have joined Vortex and yes further අපි කතා කරනවා and ඒව ඔක්කොම මේ videos වල අපි add කරනවා. So stay tuned, watch till end.
I'm Sandaru, a dedicated gym athlete with over 7 years of experience, and I'm participating in my bodybuilding competition in this year. And I'm proud to be sponsored by Vortex clothing brand as my fitness clothing partner. And
Guys, I'm Jaitu Ashan and I'm 19 years old and I'm a fitness athlete, and discipline and fitness are a huge part of my life, and keep pushing my limits. Having a strong support is essential, and I'm really excited for.
Guys, I'm Bihandu. I'm 18 years old.
Team up with Vortex, and I have to finally say big thank you for Vortex because their products are very top quality and comfortable for my training.
Give me a more an extra confidence throughout this journey. And I'm truly grateful to represent the brand that believe strong.
At 18, I am built foundation for where I want to be in my future. Progress isn't about putting all hours in. It's all about building a right ecosystem around you.
Ambition and their discipline. So thank you Vortex to be part of my journey.
Partnering with Vortex feel for me a perfect fit for my career and
So ඒ වගේ තමයි අද මීටිං එක ගියේ. ගොඩක් කට්ටිය අපේ මේ වැඩවලට හොඳ කමෙන්ට්ස් දීලා තිබ්බා. පර්සනලි ගොඩක් කටේ මට මෙසේජස් දාලා තිබ්බා මේ වගේ වැඩක් කරන එක හොඳයි කියලා. It's for the growth of the brand and the growth of the athletes also. So wish them the best because September 5th එයාලා stage යනවා. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් කට්ටිය එයාලව wish කරන්න comment section එකේ පුළුවන් කට්ටිය wish කරලා comment එකක් දාන්න එයාලට. So let's see in another video. Thank you for staying in tune. Bye.